If you've ever thought about going to a car show like Mustang Week and you thought that's a little bit too far to drive, well, you don't have the dedication that this owner does today. 1,300 miles to bring his FoxBody here for the 4th time, and we're going to talk about it right here on the channel today. Hello and welcome to Gearhead 704. I'm Matt, and guys, we have an 85 FoxBody. I don't know if it was formerly a GT or not. We're gonna find out all about it. Big thing is it's from Canada. I'm gonna bring the owner in here with a little YouTube magic. Mike, hey, power of YouTube magic. There you go. Hey Mike, how you doing?
I'm doing very well.
This car you've actually owned since 96, you were telling me, is that right?
Yes, sir.
Is this your first car or?
My third Fox.
Third Fox. Yeah. So you've been a FoxBody guy for a while.
I've been a Fox guy for a while.
Now, is it more the 4 eyes or you like the arrows too? Or?
I'm a big 4-eye guy.
Yeah. I was always an arrow guy, but I've been converted now, so I love the 4 eyes now.
Congratulations.
Yeah, see, I'm on the right side finally.
Yes,
I still need to buy one, but I do love them. Beautiful car. Now, you were telling me 1,300 miles. Where are you at from Canada?
So we're in New Brunswick.
New Brunswick, and guys, I didn't know where that was, but he told me it was up near
top side of Maine.
Yeah, top side of Maine, East Coast. So, what was that like riding 1,300 miles in a Fox?
It's all for sure. we love driving it. We built it to drive. You know, it's not a show car; it's a driver.
But it is beautiful. What kind of paint are we looking at here?
So it's an 04 Mustang color.
04 Mustang GT?
Yeah.
What do you call it?
I believe it's Merlot red.
Okay, it is beautiful. My camera's not going to do it justice, guys, but it really pops here in the sun. I do love it. And this car, you said also too, it was originally a sunroof car, right?
Yeah, it was a sunroof car.
How did that work? You just took it to a body guy before it was painted, or?
Yeah, we just basically changed the skin. Took just the skin off it, put a new
roof skin.
Yep, and put a solid skin on it.
It's probably a lot nicer without that the leaks and all that,
yeah,
right?
Exactly. That's what plagues them up north. You know, the rust is you can't get rid of it.
Exactly. You've had this a long time, so how is it underneath and all the rust and all that?
Everything's been fixed and addressed that needed to be done, and you know, we're good to go.
Awesome. Did you have to do any sort of major work, or was it pretty solid?
No, we had to put floor pans.
Floor pans?
The regular, you know, again, it's
see, I'm spoiled. See, we're down in the south, so I don't have to deal with that, you know, but I heard you guys have it tough up north.
Yeah, that's right.
Actually, what happened to me, I have a coupe as well. It's the one on the back of my shirt. This one right here, they'll know. It was a Florida car, and rat and mice got up in here because it sat, and so I had to replace my cowl. So we do have a little bit of problems too.
I guess so.
In the interior, I like this interior, guys. It's not the typical 4-eye interior, although it still has a 4-eye flavor. Was it originally black?
No, it was the gray with the red piping.
Okay, yeah, I do know, I'm familiar with that. Yeah. But you did switch it over to the Aero seats as the back seat? Yep, Aero as well. Yep. I think these are a little more comfortable. What do you think?
Oh yeah, a lot more comfortable.
Yeah, good for riding.
Good bolsters in the back.
Yep. Yeah. I like, you got what, an iPad here? What's this plugged into?
That's my navigation.
Infotainment, everything.
Yeah.
That's awesome, but you still retain this. Do these still work?
Everything still works.
Does it really?
Yeah, everything.
Wow.
Yeah.
And I like all the gauges there. It does have the monster tack, which I think these are looking better on 4 eyes because they're more old school.
Yeah, well, it's old school, exactly.
Yeah. Transmission wise, is we still T5?
T5, yeah.
Okay. Obviously keep it very clean, guys. Look, think about it, 1,300 miles. You got to do a lot of cleaning.
It was a lot of work there in the sun for sure down here.
Who rode in here? Just you and your wife?
Me and my wife, yeah.
Okay, all right. So at least you're not sticking anybody in the back.
No, I don't think anybody's been in the back seat for years.
Yeah, so that would be a little uncomfortable. All right, well, remember, guys, originally the 85s were carbureted, but this one not so much anymore. Maybe we'll pop the hood real quick and show them. Door panels are in great shape too. Obviously you replaced those, or redid them. Did you restore the door panels or just
replace them?
Replace them, yeah. Do love the hood scoops on the 85. 85, 86, my favorite front end, I think.
Yeah, it is.
Of the 4 eyes.
Yeah, 82 hood scoop.
Oh, that's right.
So it was carbureted. So that's why we got the hole in the hood, right?
Okay, yeah, you had to. Yeah. Here we're looking at this. So this is not carbureted more. You converted to fuel injection?
Yes.
Are you running mass air, computer, and all that?
Yep.
So what are we looking at here? Is 306 maybe?
Actually it's just a stock rebuilt 302.
Okay, rebuilt 302.
Edelbrock heads.
Aluminum heads, right?
Yep. Cobra intake. We installed AC on it. Come down here the first time, it was so hot.
Yeah.
Went back that winter, put AC on it.
When you came the first time, was it in the summer like this?
It was
okay, so you were prepared for this one then?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Had you been to one in the fall?
Just before COVID hit.
Okay, so at least you got to experience one that wasn't quite as hot.
Quite as hot, yeah.
Okay, so 302 looks like you got headers, you got a little cam in it.
E-cam.
E-cam, okay, I love the E-cam, the B-cams, the alphabet cams.
Yeah, nothing fancy, but you know, sounds nice.
Oh, it does sound nice.
And you know, rolls along well.
Yeah, we're gonna have to get just a little idle start up here in a second.
Sure.
But you put AC on it, very nice. Was it an AC car originally?
It was originally.
Okay.
But when I got it, there was no AC.
Okay.
So I had a...
Well, that was a smart change. Did you have a tune, or are you just doing calibrated injectors and mass air?
Actually, there's no tune.
Okay.
running 19-pound injectors.
Still running the 19s,
Still
really?
running the 19s,
Okay.
yeah. So could it use a tune? Probably yes, but you know, here we are.
Well, you know what you can try first? I mean, some people say this works. I don't know. You can try getting the calibrated like mass air meter for 24-pound injectors and throw some 24s in there.
Yeah.
Maybe you don't need a tune. Maybe that'll work a little better.
I ran 30s in it with the calibrator mass.
Oh, did you? Okay,
Yeah.
so you already been down that road.
Yeah, and
How's the drivability now with 19s compared to that? 19s better?
in around town,
Yeah.
low driving is better.
A little bit better
Yeah.
for drivability.
Yeah, rolling
I'm
down
sure
the
it doesn't have as much power, but
No, it's not.
that's not what this is for, right?
Exactly, it's not built for that.
Yeah, it's a cruiser. Great engine bay detail work as well. Now, did your body guy do the smoothing here? Or?
I did not.
Oh, you did that too?
I
Okay.
did that, yeah.
Okay, so all he did was basically dents and paint.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are these Scott Rod panels?
They are kind of step-off Scott rods.
Okay.
Scott rods are 3 panels. I took them and welded them together, added this section.
Okay, so it's a little more custom.
Yeah.
I mean, it looks beautiful under here. Battery is in the trunk, I guess?
yeah.
Oh, okay, relocated battery. Awesome on the engine bay. Let's talk about these wheels real quick. So you did the 5-load conversion.
Yep.
And you got, what, is it the GT brakes front and rear?
I've got, yeah.
From a 99, 04?
Well, 96 front, 94 rear.
And these wheels are, what, the 01 bullets or they're bullet wheels, I guess?
Bullet wheels, yeah,
Okay.
I redid them.
Yeah, they look great.
Yeah, I took the polish lip off.
Okay.
The polish lip didn't really fit the car. You know?
Yeah, you know what? That does look better.
Yeah.
I usually don't like these. I was trying to figure out why they look so good on your car.
Yeah.
Maybe that's why.
Polish, yeah.
Yeah, okay. In the back, are we still running the 8.8?
8.8, 373s.
373s, okay.
Yeah, we cut the caliper brackets, moved on the back side of the mounting brackets
Yeah.
so that we could retain the stock axle.
The stock axle length. Yeah. It looks good. How are the 373s with 5th gear?
Not bad. 2,200 down the highway. That's, you know, not bad.
Yeah, that's not too bad.
We average 25 miles a gallon.
Oh, that's
coming
good.
down, so you know, can't complain.
No, you can't. In these days, especially with gas
Yeah.
prices, that's pretty good.
Yeah.
Guys, for him to do all the work, for you to do all the work, that's a labor of love. Probably means a lot more to you.
Oh, well, it's something that we done, right?
Yeah. Oh, you got a sound system in here
Yeah,
too.
so of course the battery and everything is mounted inside, so it just to clean it up.
It's done pretty good. Look, you got some serious stuff in here.
Yeah.
I still have the stock radio in mine, so I just listen to the exhaust.
Oh, yeah. Well, nothing wrong with that.
Right.
Something else to it.
Yeah.
A lot of the.
Oh, look at this.
It's Canadian, right? So it's a Cobra.
Oh, it is. Yeah,
Yeah.
because I forgot about that.
Yeah. So
They had to retain those, and Ford had to retain the
the
name.
name, and so.
And so you've got a Cobra.
Yeah.
Let's get a quick crank up if we can. Yeah.
Sure.
Oh, that's got a nice chop. Look at the smile. Listen, those new S550s, they don't sound anything like
They
this.
don't have that sound.
No.
Those alphabet cams really,
Yeah.
really knock them off.
Are these Flowmasters?
Flow Pros actually?
Flow Pros, it sounds very similar.
Yeah.
You have a H-pipe?
H-pipe Mac, H-pipe back headers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Listen, guys. Yeah, it chops good. Yeah. There you go. Yeah, that sounds good, Mike. Doesn't matter how much horsepower you got.
No,
If it sounds like that, you can drive 1,300 miles.
Yeah.
That's awesome, man.
All right, brother.
There you heard it, guys. I love that old school sound. I love that you drove it 1,300 miles. So, but props to you. Now, I'm sure many people were involved in this. You want to give a shout out to anybody in particular, though?
If it wasn't for the wife, she's just as big a part of this as I am.
Yeah.
You know, she's more pickier than I am. So
Mine's the same way.
yeah,
So-
I clean it, she goes over it, and she fixes it.
It's so funny.
Yeah.
That's they know from the channel. My wife Tiffany, she does the same thing. Actually, she won't even let me touch anymore because she's like, I'll just fix it.
Yeah,
Right.
yeah.
So well, that's cool. And honestly, part of this is we need support like that, you know. And we don't. If our partner doesn't support us,
Oh, for sure.
it's harder.
Yep.
So women that support your car builds like that for your guys, and vice versa, guys support women. We appreciate you.
Oh, it's super fortunate to have a wife like that.
Yeah,
So.
awesome. Well, I love the build, man. Thanks for sharing it with the channel.
Appreciate
And I hope you enjoy the rest of Mustang Week.
I will.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Cool. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I got a lot more Mustang Week content coming for you. Car reviews like this of FoxBodies. So if you did enjoy it, please hit the like button. If you're stopping here for the first time, please subscribe. And we'll see you here next time on Gearhead 704. We have an 85 FoxBody. Sorry, this will be the blooper section.